Yo, 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 this is Honest Mike from Mopeds with Attitude, and today's a very special day. I am going on my very first ONYX ride. I'm meeting up with some people. I don't truck my rides anywhere, man. I ride my rides, 2 rides, and I keep on riding. But with the ONYX, I can't. All the rides are on the west side or by the coast. And by the time I get there, my battery will be toast. Well, this one happens to be in my backyard. Seriously, we're talking like 1 mile. I'm looking, I got my GPS on, and it is gonna be 1 mile from my house, the meetup place. The ride is 25 miles, and I never met anybody from this community, this subculture, but I'm super stoked. It's 1 mile to be exact. How rad. In my backyard, man. Oh, this is so rad. Yes. I am 1 mile away from here.
Oh, that is sweet.
Yeah, that's why I'm like stoked. I can finally do it. Oh, it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bikes. 17 bikes. And we're off. I'm stoked. Here we go. A lot of these have big batteries, man. I got the Stalker. Crazy, man. This is the quietest start off of any ride I've ever been on. Nice. I want to hang out in the back and observe. It's so weird having this many people and no sounds. And we are off. It's a 25-mile distance route. Alright. So here we are, guys. This is what it's all about. I don't know any of these cats, man. I'm just learning. I just met people for the first time, but this is all I ride my ONYX here. So I never thought I would be riding 3 months later with the whole crew. You cannot hear anything, just the tires. In fact, I better just check, just for peace of mind. Just for peace of mind. Looks like single track. I like this so far. There's not a whole mob of people on the turn, so far I like it, what I see. This is something that the scooter world never does, man. I just know, like the ruckus scene, they got 5 people on a turn, and I hate that. And all I've ever wanted to do is to hit these canyons with the homies the proper way, in case somebody goes down. This is right. This is good, man. I am so stoked that it's just the first 1 mile. And this is, am I dreaming? Am I in a coma still? This is awesome. No one's hitting the turns too crazy. Super quiet. And it's so stealth. Nobody knows that there's a crew of people mobbing this canyon right now. You can't hear us around the turns. You can't smell them. These guys be racing and drifting, and that's who messed me up, man. They laid down some transmission fluid. Ooh, there was some fluid right there, I could tell. It was just a blob of it, but these guys laid down a trail, and I went down over here, right where these guys are going. So I think I'm the only guy in the jacket. I think there's another jacket there, but right here, there's this, you can't see it, but I was leaning and I washed it. See, I would have gotten killed right there, because I washed out right there. Right there. Any dark stuff on here, that could, that's just rubber, but you got to be careful for I'm hypersensitive now, because I know exactly what I saw the minute I was going down, and it was too late. This turn is the gnarliest, and these guys are hitting it quick, not even knowing that they get thrown into the other lane. So yeah, it's kind of funny observing from the back. But so far, I don't see no DFRs here. You don't know what a DFR is, dumb rider. And boy, do I know a lot of those people. Right there, see this right there, that little dark patch down there looked like, right here. Gotta be careful, guys. Stay out of that middle. Cars do leak. Right there, that's just jacked up asphalt, but just look out for the middle. Awesome. So awesome. So awesome. See this in my backyard, man. So awesome. My backyard! My backyard! We're going this way? Okay. Okay. This is the beautiful route. A lot of oak trees. There's the Suron. Rad. So there's a couple different routes coming down here you can choose. Left is the old school place. There used to be a couple pools we would skate back in the day. Some houses burnt over here and they never rebuilt. There was a square pool and then there was a kidney-shaped pool to the left. Over here are some safe houses. Like if you're on the run, gotta like go to court or something, they gotta save you or hide you. They put you up in these houses over here. Those are the safe houses. I'm living the dream right now because I got someone covering my ass in back and in front, so I can actually hit this a little faster than I've ever had in my life. So I'm living the dream right now, guys. I'm living the dream. It's the people in front of me are my buffer. So now I'm gonna slow down a little bit. I did the same thing I did in Tennessee at the Dragon, right in the tail of the Dragon, man. I waited, I pulled over, I let a buffer of 3 minutes, and then I would hit that. I've never mobbed a canyon like that, but I was also in the middle of like racing and training. Oh, it is clear, it's clear. Anywho, that's what I was doing at the tail of the Dragon. I'm doing it here in Turnbull Canyon. I'm riding with a group of people, with the dude behind me, and then I got a buffer. Oh yes, and then I've always wanted to go up here, and it says they have cameras. This is awesome. Dude's gonna get the shot. This is the best shot right here. Smile, you're on camera. I've always wanted to take that shot. I just got it because I can. This is so awesome. So awesome. The guy's got the cooling things right there on his hub. First time I seen it.
If I could, I would do it. You know I do because I love you. Got my heart on the beat.
That was the most quietest stop in my life. Quietest. Oh man, this is so funny. You can hear people's music. So this is a fun route right here. I don't know if we're gonna do it, but there's halfway down this route is Gravity Hill. It goes down, and if you park your car there, you go up it. So I don't know if we're gonna do Gravity Hill. I don't know what Gravity Hill would be like on an e-bike. That's kind of funny. That would be a good test. Oh, we are gonna do it. We are doing it. We are doing Gravity Hill, guys. I don't even know if these guys even know about it. But yeah, awesome. Well, we can make two choices for Gravity Hill. But Gravity Hill is straight. We might make a left. I'm not too sure, but watch it. Hazards galore, man. Someone could wash out over there. I don't even know if these guys know foot code. So I guess I'm just gonna show them. See if Angela does a code. I'm riding staggered off of her. She's off to the right. She's leading. I'm second. This is the first time, but this is my backyard. But I just saw hazards, so I am going to keep an eye out. There are potholes. Here is Gravity Hill. If we stop, we should go up this hill. Now, I don't know if I'm too close for her. It looks good. I just cross-check my mirrors. Make sure I'm recording. All right. So now I'll take the rear. We'll see if everybody falls back in single track mode or staggered. This is therapy, man. This is therapy. These people I just met for the first time, they don't even know how I needed this ride, man. This is literally going to my parents' house right now. So, wow, I just had my first reality, my parents. My mom just passed, so it's going to my dad's house now. And I'm still wondering, how long do you do that? How long do you say stuff like that? Damn. So now I'm going to normal. Normal's perfect for cruising around town. 777. Damn, dude. My mama is here. That's the volts I have. Damn, man. Mom, you are here. Love you, Mom. Love you. 777's good luck. And right now I just looked and my thing said 777. It says it again. 777 volts. I love you, Mom. Every time I see that, I'm going to think of you. Whew. Yeah, I'm going to start crying. Fuck. My neighbor, man. Nice is in the ONYX scene. Knows her stuff, man. You need any kind of parts list, homegirl knows, man. I'm so glad this is the first ride. Awesome. Alright, they're going. They're going. Here comes some scragglers. I've seen this dude. This dude's got this modified bike. No, it's the first time I see these little dudes. They're all, I think they're all just mashed out. Hey, that thing's making smoke. Oh, shit. That smoke was his tires. Holy shit. So we're starting. All these people are nice, man. I like it. So far, man. Everybody's been respectful. We're back on track. How funny. Some people must have overshot. We made it here, baby. Yes, we made it. We got back on track. They took the wrong route. Off and on, off and on. Coast it, yeah. Just blip it when needed. So I'm doing East Road, man, and I'm babing my bike. Trying to use my regen, trying to get back some power. Fluctuating between normal and eco. Now this cat and I, this kid next to me, he's 140 pounds, I'm 207. We have both been at the same battery state, plus or minus half a volt.
There goes a grommer.
Okay, this kid's smashing. I just blasted. Now I threw it into eco mode, and I'm doing regen braking right now. I'm up to 74 This is key. I'm up at 74 volts right now, coming downhill. I'm going to put it in normal mode, give it a blast, because I know this canyon and the area, and then I'm going to throw it in slow to help me regen without hitting my brakes. I'm at 72 volts, the regen's kicking in, it's at 73, 74.6, it's pulling hard, once almost bucked me off, and I just put some power into my battery. I gave it juice. There's no juice there because I was in eco mode. But yeah, we made it. I made it with some I made some power. Coming up that hill, I was losing it, and I just made 1 volt. I'm so stoked. So stoked. I have to give it that 72.2 volt. We made it! Yes! So the crew all has good batteries except for us. There's a Miata, yeah! Miata, dude. Mopeds with attitude! Yes! So people just kind of smile when they laugh at 2 dudes pedaling mopeds uphill. But hey, we did it. On our own pace. All right, just made it over some debris. And the homies are here. The homies are here. How to pedal, man. How to work up that hill, baby. I'm coming off this ride 2 pounds lighter. Oh! Thank you, thank you. Hey, yes, awesome. Awesome. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. I'm gonna give power and then put it back into eco. Try to get some regen out of here. So I'm at 28 right now. I just put on eco. I'm at 73 volts. I'm getting it. I'm putting it back on normal. Just threw it in eco mode. I'm going 35. It hasn't kicked in yet. There it goes. Uh-oh. A little confused. Eco mode hasn't kicked in. Okay, there it goes. 71.6. I gained 0.5 volt so far coming down doing this technique. I'm not too sure if this is a mile or a mile and a half, but that was kind of cool. So I'm literally huffing and puffing, made it to the top of Colima, pedaling my ass off with the biggest smile, because this is my backyard. Pass this homie up. And my speedo says 32. Let's see, 32. Yes, it's hitting. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we're calibrated. 32. My GPS is out, and the radar detector said 32. So what more can you ask for? I calibrated my speedo, and it worked. Oh, we can go. What voltage are you at? 70.9. So we're the same, brother. We're the same, man. Awesome.
Well, this is absolutely funny, man. The stalkers made it here first. The stalkers made it here first. How did the stock bikes get here first? Oh,
You guys are so fast, huh?
the magic of a stock battery.
You could have made it.
Oh man, yeah, we did. We were. Oh, that's so awesome, man. I can't believe we got here before them. That's awesome.
You guys made it.